Hey guys, this is Evewin Lakra. So today is 21st July 2020. Today is Tuesday. Tuesday. Just now I received my Amazon big order. Half order I have received. 2 tables I have received. They said, the delivery boy said he'll bring the one leftover table afterwards. So these are the 2 tables which I have received, the Supreme brand table. And let me tell you that one table came without any plastic wrap, and because of that few scratches can be seen over here, and one dent can be seen over here, and again few scratches over here, and on this side also there are scratches on both the end. And this table doesn't have any scratches. The second one, the first one have scratches and one dent because it came without any plastic wrap. So bad packing by Amazon India this time. Otherwise they have avoided the scratches and dent. And the delivery boy came in a motorcycle, not in the van or big vehicle, and because of that there are scratches